children, how are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your English workbook. Volume 1. All of you open your English workbook. Volume 1. I'm on page number 40. Workbook page number 40. King Midas and his golden touch. In the previous class, I learned this lesson. I taught this lesson already. I taught this lesson now. Now I am giving the notes to you. Okay? Creative writing skills, the mirror giant. Imagine that you found a mirror in an old cave. You returned home with a mirror and started playing with it. Suddenly, a tall, strange person appears from the mirror and commands you to wish for 3 boons of your choice. What would you wish for? If those 3 wishes are granted, what would you like to do with those boons? I'm a mirror saint. Here is a creative writing for you. One of the day, you found a mirror. One of the day, you found a mirror in the cave. You have found a mirror in the cave. You played with the mirror. Suddenly from the mirror, you have seen a strange person. A strange person appeared, came out. A strange person came out from the mirror. Understand me? A strange person came out from the mirror. Okay? A strange person came out from the mirror. And the strange person commanded you, ordered you to ask 3 boons. Boons means wishes. He asked for you 3 wishes. Understand me? ఎప్పుడైనా అల్లావుద్దీన్ స్టోరీ చూసారా? ఆ దీపంలో నుండి జీని బయటకు వస్తాడు. He asked for the wish. ఏం కావాలో కోరుకో అని అడుగుతాడు. Like that. A strange person came outside from the mirror and he asked you and he commanded you for 3 boons. Boons means wishes. Sudden గా ఒక స్ట్రేంజ్ పర్సన్ నీకు అపియర్ అయిపోయి నేను 3 కోరికలు కోరుకోమంటే నువ్వేం కోరుకుంటావు? What do you wish for? What are the 3 wishes of you? You must write. That is your wishes, no? You have to write here. Understand me? You must write down about your wishes. Me wishes meere rayali. How many wishes you have to ask? You must ask 3 wishes. You must ask 3 wishes. Okay? Ask 3 wishes. That you have to write. మీకు నచ్చిన విష్ మీరు అడగండి. How many wishes you have to ask? 3 wishes. Right here. What are the wishes do you ask to the mirror giant? You must write here. What would you like to do with those boons? And if you ask about that, you asked for the 3 wishes, no? 3 కోరికలు అడుగుతావు కదరా. Why you ask for that? What do you want to do with them? ఆ కోరికలతో నువ్వేం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు? What do you want to do with those 3 wishes? That also you have to write. Okay? You have to ask for the 3 wishes. And what are the uses? How do you use those 3 wishes in your future? What do you ask? You had to ask for the 3 wishes. And how do you use them in your future? అవి విషెస్ని నీ ఫ్యూచర్లో ఎలా యూజ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు అది కూడా మీరు రాయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విషెస్ నో, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆన్సర్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్. Who was King Midas and what was his greatest possession? Header. King Midas. King Midas was a great king who had a King Midas was a great king who had very huge empire. Very huge empire. His most prized possession his most prized possession was his youngest and loveliest daughter. Youngest and loveliest daughter, Philomena. What was his greatest possession means what he liked more. What is his favorite, most favorite? Philomena is his most favorite thing. King Midas was a great king who had very huge empire. His most prized possession was his youngest and loveliest daughter, Philomena. Describe Philomena. Philomena is so beautiful, no? We have to say about her beautiness. Okay? Philomena was a very beautiful girl. She had a dark brown eyes. And silky hair She sang like a nightingale. She sang like a nightingale and dance like a butterfly. She also had a great smile. Philomena was a beautiful girl. She had dark brown eyes and silky hair. She sang like a nightingale and danced like a butterfly. She also had a great smile. Complete your answer. rubbing first answer nana. Who was Silenus and how did King Midas welcome him? Okay, come with your answer. Silenus was a teacher. Silenus was a teacher of God Dionysus. Was a teacher of God Dionysus. King Midas welcomed him. King Midas welcomed him grandly. Into his palace. Silenus was a teacher of God Dionysus. King Midas welcomed him grandly into his palace. Next, what boon did the king get from Silenus? Boon means wish. What's the meaning of boon? Wish. Okay? Come with your answers. I'm rubbing the second answer. What boon did King Midas get from Silenus? King Midas was granted the boon to ask for anything, to ask for any wish, his choice, which would come true, which would come true. King Midas was granted the boon to ask for any wish, his choice, which would come true. Silenus said to King Midas, you must ask for any wish that may become true. That may become true means ఏది కోరుకుంటేది జరిగిపోతుంది. Okay? Any wish. You must ask for any wish. Next. Which incidents from the story made you sad? Which incidents in the story will feel sad? Whenever the Philomena turned into gold. You felt sad now? Head up. The incident where Philomena into gold turned into gold. The incident where Philomena turned into gold and her skin was like ice. Skin was like ice, and her hair felt like thorns. Her hair felt like thorns. Thorns అంటే ముళ్ళు నాన్న, ముళ్ళులాగా గుచ్చుకుంటుండే. Was very sad. The incident where Philomena turned into gold and her skin was like ice and her hair felt like thorns was very sad. Okay, complete answer. How did Dionysus advise help the king? God Dionysus gave the advice to the King Midas to go to the river. What is the river? Pactolus river. He said, no, you must go to the Pactolus river and take a bath in the river. Then the river may took off your wish. He said, no. Dionysus advised took a pity on King Midas and ordered him to take a bath in river Pactolus. The water took away his terrible gift. And he would live happy. And he would live happily. Dionysus took pity on King Midas and ordered him to take a bath in river Pactolus. The water took away his terrible gift and he would happy. He would happy. Has taken away his gift, his wish. Again, keep here again. answers. You complete that. Open your page number 45. Same work book only. Open the page number 45. Write the other 2 degrees of adjectives in the respective columns. I will give this one. This is a homework for you. So that's what I am telling you. Open the book page number 45. Adjectives, comparative and superlative degrees. I have already explained you know what are the adjectives and the comparative degree forms and the superlative degree forms. I said in the previous class. Here, lovely. Lovely is the adjective. This is the adjective, passive degree. This is the passive degree. What is the comparative degree you have written? And you have written the superlative degree form. Comparative and the superlative degree. Degrees of comparison. Lovely. Comparative degrees lovelier. 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 Loveliest. Superlative degrees loveliest. Lovely. Lovelier and loveliest. Here darkest is the superlative degree form is given. Darkest is given. Comparative degree form is darker. Adjective form is dark. Darker, darker, darkest. Dark is the adjective form, means passive degree. Comparative degree is darker and the superlative degree is darkest. Darkest is the superlative degree form. Next. Widest. Widest is the superlative degree form is given here, no? Sorry, Nana. Wildest, wildier, and wild. Wild is the passive degree. Wildier is the comparative degree, and wildest is the superlative degree form. Wilder, wildest. Next, wealthy. Wealthy is a passive form. Wealthy is the passive form of adjective. This is a passive form. Now we have read the comparative degree and superlative degree. Wealthy, passive. Wealthier. Wealthier is the comparative degree. Wealthiest is the superlative degree form. Wealthiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Wealthy passive degree, wealthier comparative degree, wealthiest superlative degree. Okay? Next, beautiful. Beautiful is the passive degree. Passive degree is beautiful. Comparative degree is more beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, and the superlative degree form is most beautiful. She is the most beautiful girl in the world. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, beautiful is the passive degree, more beautiful is the comparative degree, and most beautiful is the superlative degree form. Complete your answers. Amma. Remaining adjective forms tomorrow I'll give in the next class. I'll give in the next class remaining adjective forms. Today's class is completed. Bye.